In this video, we are going to see the top 15 romantic Turkish series that you should definitely watch. Number 1. Kimsi Bilmez, Nobody Knows. Kisme Bilmez follows Sevda, a young and beautiful girl who dreams of becoming famous, living with her parents and brother. Her father's boss, Uyghur, is dangerously obsessed with her and ruins their family business to force her into marriage. Meanwhile, her brother Sinan is kidnapped by a drug gang known as Pilot, and to save him, Sevda steals money from Uyghur and escapes. While running from the police, she accidentally takes refuge in the house of Ali, a respected, intelligent man with a painful past. Ali lost his child, unknowingly caused by Sevda's father, Koksal. Once a government agent, Ali had destroyed the gang and withdrawn from the world. The twist deepens as Ali and the gang leader Pilot turn out to be long-lost brothers, now enemies unaware of their bond. As fate pulls them into conflict, Ali and Sevda, despite being opposites, fall deeply in love. Their story becomes a struggle between truth, family, and love. As hidden connections slowly come to light. Kimsi Bilmez is a gripping Turkish drama blending romance, action, and deep emotional themes. The chemistry between the leads, Sevda and Ali, will keep you engaged despite some pacing issues. The series stands out with its intense storyline, memorable villains, and strong performances. While some found the acting uneven, many praise it as a must-watch for fans of romantic thrillers. Number 2. Sol Yanim, My Left Side. Sol Yanim follows Sarah, a smart and humble girl who once belonged to a rich family but now lives a poor and simple life with her mother. She studies architecture at university and works part-time to support her family in these tough times. Selim is a rich and troubled young man from the powerful Kutluse family. He and Sarah meet at university and don't get along at first, both of them hate each other. But when Selim makes Sarah his tutor, over time they start to understand each other and fall in love. Their relationship faces problems from jealous classmates like Biricik and Burak. Selim also struggles with emotional pain from his broken family. Sarah tries to stay strong and independent despite everything. Together, they help each other grow and heal. The series ends after 12 episodes, with their love story at the heart of it. Sol Yanma is one of those rare series that pulls you in with its quiet depth and raw emotion. The chemistry between Selim and Sarah is unforgettable, beautifully flawed characters trying to heal each other in a world full of secrets. It's not just a love story, it's about pain, healing, and finding light in the darkest corners. Even though it ended sooner than we hoped, its impact stays with us, etched in the heart like a memory you don't want to let go. It's a must-watch series. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me bring you more awesome content like this. Number 3. Full Moon. In the series Full Moon, Dolunay, Najli, a talented young chef, takes on a part-time job as a private chef for the wealthy businessman Ferit. Despite Ferit's strict and disciplined nature, sparks begin to fly between them. However, their budding romance faces challenges when Najli's attempts to protect her sister lead to a misunderstanding at a questionable nightclub. Ferit's close friend sees Najli there, causing Ferit to believe she's after his wealth. This miscommunication strains their relationship. According to me, Dolunay is a series that initially promises a delightful mix of romance, comedy, and drama, but falls short as the plot becomes tedious, often skipping scenes. While the chemistry between Ferit and Najli is endearing, it sometimes feels forced. Number 4. Dewi Beni. The series Dewi Beni revolves around a high school student Ekim, whose life takes a dark turn when her best friend, Leela, is hit by a masked driver, leaving her unable to walk. The culprit seeks refuge in a private high school for the wealthy, shielded by the administration. To uncover the truth, Akim, along with Isay and Baker, earns a scholarship to attend the school. As they navigate bullying and confrontation with popular students, Akim becomes determined to expose the person behind the hit and run, with a supportive new teacher aiding their cause. This Turkish series is a captivating masterpiece with a gripping script, stellar acting, and a talented ensemble cast. The storyline, filled with unexpected twists, delves into complex themes of bullying and societal issues, keeping its viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 5. Ruhun Duymaz. Onur Kasu is a top agent of Turkish intelligence, and he is after Divan Koral, the owner of Turkey's largest jewelry company. Divan is actually the member of the biggest criminal organization in Turkey, and he uses his jewelry company as a front for his dirty business. In order to catch Divan, Onur becomes lover of Divan's sister and proposes her. But her sister's friend Ajay, who is also a criminal, figures out that what Onur is up to. She tries to tell this to her friend, but Onur catches her. Onur works hard to catch criminals, while Ajay is herself a criminal. So, what will happen when both of them have to work together? Will they get closer to each other? Watch this series to find out. Number 6. Gaddar. Gaddar's story revolves around Daghan, a soldier who returns to his home from the east, and he gets shocked to find his hometown transformed into chaos after 2 years of absence. His family is shattered, with his sister eloping, his brother involved in illegal activities, and his parents estranged. The love of his life, Aidan, is missing, and he learns about her infidelity, shattering his dreams of reconciliation. Offered a job by a mysterious manager, Daghan initially refuses but is forced into a life of crime when his best friend Samet dies, leaving him with a debt to the director. Faced with the imminent danger to Samet's family, Daghan reluctantly becomes a hitman, plunging deeper into a brutal world where he must balance his own morality with the need to protect his loved ones. As the series unfolds, Daghan's journey becomes a tense exploration of love, loss, and the sacrifices made in the face of escalating danger. According to me, Gaddar is a great series to watch, which marks a compelling return for Çağatay Ulusoy, showcasing his versatile acting skills in a well-crafted storyline. The series successfully blends suspense, drama, and action, drawing its viewers in with its intense narrative and leaving them eager for more. Number 7. Çokur. In the perilous streets of Çukur, the Koçova family holds sway, enforcing a strict ban on drugs. However, a bold challenger emerges, seeking to defy this rule and seize control. Yamaç, a free-spirited young man, crosses paths with Sena, a kindred soul, and they quickly fall in love. But their bliss is shattered when Yamaç's turbulent family history resurfaces, threatening their newfound happiness. As Sena becomes entangled in Yamaç's world, they face unforeseen dangers and challenges that will test their bond to the limit. Çukur, The Pit, is an intense and gripping Turkish TV series that masterfully combines elements of action, drama, and family dynamics. With its compelling storyline, well-developed characters, and superb performances, Çukur has garnered widespread acclaim and a dedicated fan base. The show's intricate plot, accompanied by powerful music and captivating visuals, keeps you engaged and eagerly anticipating each episode. Overall, Çukur stands out as one of the best Turkish series ever made, offering a thrilling and immersive viewing experience for audiences worldwide. Number 8. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namık. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, Cem, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namık's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out by following the link given in the description section. Number 9. Gulzemal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulzemal, Murad Anilmish, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezin, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Gulzemal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 10. Hududse Sevda. Hududse Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 11. Ali. Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Deveen, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Deveen can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Deveen's path. Can Deveen fix Aslan's issues, even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 12. Emanet. The legacy or Emanet drama series story begins with Kefsa, a poor woman who falls in love with a man from a rich and corrupt family. However, one day Kefsa loses her husband, so overnight she finds herself trapped in the Kirimli mansion with her 5-year-old son Yusuf, with no one else to turn to. But not everything will remain there, because one day tragedy comes knocking at the door again, and Kefsa dies in an accident. Thus, little Yusuf will be left an orphan in the midst of a vicious family lacking affection and love. Yusuf will be left in the care of his uncle Yaman, a powerful, hard and cold-hearted man. Although Yusuf is doing very well under his uncle's care, the little boy longs for sympathy, which he certainly does not receive in that family. But before Kefsa died, she had asked Seher, his sister, to take care of her son. So the young woman leaves her neighborhood and moves to the mansion, where she will confront the wealthy family in defense of her son. If you prefer shorter series or are sensitive to prolonged storylines, and not want potential emotional roller coasters, then this series is not for you. However, the exceptional acting, captivating storyline, and heartwarming romance makes this series so well, that I will recommend you to give this series a try. Number 13. Bambashka Biri. Bambashka Biri is the most recent series of Burak Deniz and Hande Ershel, which centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kanan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kanan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. Number 14. Ezaret. Redemption. Ezaret follows Orun's vengeful journey after his sister's death in Eritrea. He saves Hira, who unintentionally contributed to her demise, and brings her to Istanbul for torment instead of death. Hira, a former captive, now lives as a prisoner in Orun's home, desperate to prove her innocence. The series delves into their complex relationship as Orun grapples with revenge, exploring themes of redemption and forgiveness within their shared pain. Number 15. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old from a remote village, has spent her letter from her late mother. Yusuf, a hitchhiker who finds the letter, learns of Ada's plight and, moved by her story, decides to help her. He travels to her village, returns the letter, and persuades Ada to escape with him to Istanbul. With nothing but hope and the support of Yusuf, Ada begins her new life in the bustling city. As they face various challenges and adapt to a new world, their bond grows, leading Ada to discover her strength and self-worth, while Yusuf and Ada build a future together, overcoming both personal and external obstacles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list of top 15 romantic Turkish series, let me know which series you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.